out here, do a little bit of creek fishing. It's what I love to do the most. It's what I learned, mainly growing up. The creek runs back through here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk upstream. We're gonna use some topwater today. I'm gonna show you this morning. It's a late morning, but with the shade line and everything going on, with all the different shade lines and rocks and stuff, they're gonna hit this thing. I got a 7-foot medium rod. You can use a 6.6, you can use a 5.6, you can use pretty much anything in a creek. That's what's awesome about creek fishing. It's not really just meant, except for like a 7.6 or an 8-foot rod, you're not gonna use that. So I'm gonna go here with this here, walk the dog style type bait first, and we're gonna start out with that. Black grubs, small little green pumpkin tubes, Rebel crankbait, craw, and some swim baits, some jig heads. That's all you need. Make sure you bring some waters with you. I like to use cargo pants to hold all of my lures in. I got lots of pockets, so I can fit this box right here into one of my pockets, and we're good to go. And then I can put this in the same pocket and put the 2 waters in my other pocket. So you're not really running around with a lot on your back. I usually take like my whole backpack when I go out and fish, because you just don't know what the fish are gonna do. But this water's low and clear, okay? The smallmouth in this creek are very aggressive. They always are. If they're there, they're gonna bite. They're gonna bite. It's gonna happen. So, this is a little bit harder than I thought it was. All right, so let's get out there. Start out with the top water. If it seems like the water's low and clear and you're not seeing any fish, start moving. Look for deeper holes, look for structure, look for stuff around the bank. And I mean, we're gonna get around some fish today. It's bound to happen, but where, I don't know. These fish like to move. Some of them like to stay. All right, guys, one tip about creek fishing: don't ever just get right into the water. Right here, what we got is some slack water, right with some shade. And if we'd step in this right now, we have a chance of circulating a whole bunch of dust cloud, like a huge dust cloud, and push it towards them. So let's get a few casts over there and let's see if we can catch a fish. Oh, oh my God, got him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Got it. Please, I hope you guys seen that. I don't think you did. Well, that sucks. I highly doubt you guys seen it. He jumped out of the water for this thing. The Zara spook, the head and spook, whatever you want to call it today. The spook is just, the smaller guy is just amazing for these creek smallmouth. Look at the pretty mark on him. Ooh, it's a scar. It's a pretty fish though. Let's get him back in the water, guys. Oh, you're so angry. Oh, thanks for getting some water on him. I should have released him a little bit deeper water, but he's okay. I don't know if there's a fish in this or not. This water's up just a tad bit, which is nice. Yep. big one too. Big one. Oh, he got off. Oh my God. Got one. Now this is what you have to watch, is these hooks, boys. If he starts really flopping, these hooks are gonna come out and smack you right in the face. That's another reason why I'm wearing eyeglasses today, sunglasses, and a face shield. I'm already prepared. I've had it happen to me multiple times. Another smallmouth bass. On the little walk dog type style. I hope you guys seen that. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't, I don't know. To be honest with you, it's all right. Let's get him back in the water. See you, dude. Just a little fella. The one that was below him was a monster. I don't know if any of these fish seen any cicadas or, oh my God. Seen any cicadas or not this season. That stops your heart, boys. I can't tell you any more than that. It just stops you. Just stops your heart. And it is hot. Oh, he's still chasing it. Oh, that's a nice little guy. All right. Yep, got him. When they jump, keep that rod tip down. Get different angles, keep the pressure on the fish, and you should successfully land him. Now, that's what I'm worried about. Okay. Oh, dude. You guys are never gonna believe where I just hooked this fish. And ripped him open pretty good. Gosh darn it, pal. How did this happen, bro? Oh, dude. Kind of just pooped himself. Yep, pooping out something. Sorry, buddy. Look at the back of his tail. Something tried biting him. Nice little smallmouth. Get it back in the water. All right, let's take a little water break here. Whew. It's a little steamy out, boys and girls. It's very steamy. But always gotta have water on you and stay hydrated. Don't get sick. Don't keep out in the sun for too long. Don't be a dope like me and stand 8 hours outside in the heat sun just to catch fish. Don't do that. You'll become dehydrated and you'll hate yourself tomorrow, essentially. Got him. 2 of them. There's 2. Oh. His friend's trying to eat the other. His friend's trying to eat it. Hook, hook, hook. He's hitting it too, man. Hang on. I'm letting him swim. His friend's trying to eat the bait out of its mouth. All right. Oh, you're a pretty fish. Oh my gosh. His friend's there. Oh, no, no, no. Save that. Right in the top of the head. Wait until you see how beautiful this freaking fish is. I'm standing low because this is why I wanted to be quiet, guys. This is why I wanted to be quiet. Let's get back in there, huh? Sweet. Release that guy. Sorry I didn't show you the release, but I hope you guys seen that one. That was cool. Boom. All And that's the thing about it. I have a chance of catching two today at the same time. Let's move up. Stealth is your best friend, creek fishing. I'm gonna try it. Don't want to. Oh, 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 oh. Got it. Good one. Good fish. Yeah. Oh. There's his friend. Oh, don't tell me you guys didn't see that. I think you guys might have. Right on the end. We're catching fish today, guys. It's amazing. This is incredible. Look at that junker. Oh, I love the smell of them. They smell so good. Oh, big fish just jumped up there. Oh my gosh, he just jumped twice. See ya, buddy. That dude smoked. Oh, got him. Another good fish. Wow. Happy 4th of July to me. I needed this bad. And he's a good fish. Oh, guys, you gotta see this. So, there's his bones right here. Man, these fish are just beat up pretty fish. Unbelievable. My PC Fun rod, my PC Fun reel, my Temple Fork Outfitter rod, and a smallmouth bass on Topwater. Well, guys, a 24-inch size snake just literally swam right in front of me. And that's the thing about it. I have a chance of catching two today at the same time. Uh-oh, I've seen it. Oh, he's got it. There's another one in there too. That's a good fish. Oh, there's two of them on there. Oh my God, I got two. I got two, guys. I got two. I got two. I got two. I got two. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, oh. Let's go. Please. Yes. Oh my God. All right. How am I going to get this out without his friend hurting his other friend? All right. First off, the bigger one has got in his gill. I need to get this other guy out of here. I know, buddy. Give me a second. Okay. Well, one's off. That's why we creek fish. Let's let him go. I am gonna pass out. Look at that big boy. And his back is destroyed. Well, the good thing is I'm not in any of his gills. That's the great thing. Oh my God, I got 2. Let's let him go. I might just end it out right there, guys. I mean, today has been absolutely incredible. I'd rather catch 2 smallmouth like that on top than a 5-pound largemouth any day of the week. That's just, oh my gosh. Missed a couple of fish. Didn't realize how deep it was in here. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. You guys are amazing, and I love every single one of you. Even if you and I don't get along and you're still watching my videos, because I know there's a couple like that, I love you. Don't ever worry about it. I don't care if we had problems or not. I'm just on cloud 9 right now. I'm skipping this hole. I'm skipping that hole, and we're gonna go up here, make a few casts up at this hole, then we're done for today. Gonna get you guys this video uploaded as soon as possible. And yeah, like I said, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just wow.